Alright, this is a little video I'm making for myself, and it's about the core support. I'm trying to avoid taking apart as many things as possible so I can avoid putting them back together wrong. It's kind of funny. So yeah, I'm taking all this bracketry off, making a video of it so I can put it back the same way. A little clip nut. Like that. This goes on the side. I think my transmission cooler mounted right here. That's all I really need to worry about. I'll have the hood latch off too. Clean all that up. And yeah. Let's see. Fender mount, like triangle. This is the hood stop. Spring for the hood, of course. Hood stop, fender mount. What else I gotta worry about here? The chin spoiler bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These holes were for a little plastic air blocking plate. Same thing. And they had another plastic air blocker right here. And right here. Bada bing, bada boom.